Shawty ice cold, still phone a nigga up. Hot me a park and float like the real. I shoot shots like Reggie Miller. Girl, you look so familiar. She a bad one, she love Christian, she love that.
Hey guys, it's your girl Trin, and I am here with a review / mukbang. It's gonna be more of a review than a mukbang. We have, just guess what it is. Guess. Drum roll. Now, what could be inside this mysterious box? You guessed it. The donut sandwich. Now, I'm already mad because it looked a little dry, but I just realized that all the icing went to the bottom. It looks good. Okay, guys, so this, okay, I had to get a thumbnail. This is what it looks like. Let me get a better one. Okay, so, bless you. Sorry if y'all hear noise in the background, that's my nephew. Now, before I taste this, I'm doing this for y'all. Oh, excuse my do-rag. I meant to say, excuse the do-rag. It's been a long day. I left the house around 7 this morning and it is 9:02. It's been a long day. Didn't even really want to do this. I'm tired. But I was just like, hey, why not? So yeah, let's get into it. But one more thing. If I get corona, go like this. Go like pause right now. I'm gonna wait. Okay, y'all done? Because I might get corona eating this. Because y'all know that crap is... It's so much icing at the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna have to like... Because I want icing everywhere. Oh, ghetto. This is so ghetto. It's good, but it's not. Let me take another bite. I don't see what all the hype is about. It's decent. Maybe it's the KFC I went to. I don't know. They kind of look like they slopped it together anyway. I mean, to me, it tastes like a regular sandwich. With some good ass chicken. Can I say that on here? Ooh. Like I said, with some good ass chicken. It's not, I don't know how to explain it. To me, my standards were a little bit higher because I watched reviews personally before I, purchased this. It's not what I thought it was gonna be. Everybody's made it seem like it was just like the best thing ever. So y'all can see it better. I don't know, like I wouldn't buy it again. It's good, but I wouldn't buy it again. I personally wouldn't buy it again. Let's take another bite. The chicken is really good. The donut is just like plain Jane. And I'm mad at y'all. Some of y'all told me that this was a Krispy Kreme donut. This ain't no goddamn Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme don't taste like this. I know Krispy Kreme. This ain't no Krispy Kreme. Lying asses. This is disappointing. It has an interesting taste to it, but to me, it tastes like plain. It just tastes like chicken with I was like, what is on me? Like with some random type of bun. I just want to take the time to tell my friend Ananda, I should beat you up. I want my $6 back. This wasn't worth it. That's not it. I'm still eating it because I'm trying to find like that one bite that grabs me. And so far, I haven't found it. It is good. It's just not. It's not really my type. It's not my tea. It's not my cup of tea. I'm not gonna lie. Now if you like sweet and savory, it's not really too much sweet, so I can't really say that like certain parts are sweet because they put glaze on it. I watched them put the glaze on it. Excuse me. If you like the taste of like a semi-sweet or sweet donut and some type of meat, I would get a donut burger. I've had a donut burger before from the Sugar Factory. That was good. But this chicken sandwich, I would probably eat it again, but I would make it myself and use a Krispy Kreme donut and fry my own chicken or buy some chicken from them. But let me stand up so I can see how angry I am. Really, KFC? Really? This is how we do our black people? Y'all had us all hyped up thinking I was gonna have this really nice donut sandwich that was gonna be real good. And it's not even all that. Like, I want my $6 back. Like, where my money at? I want it back. But since I paid $6, y'all finna sit here and watch me eat the rest of the sandwich. Baby girl, baby boy. Who? I ain't rich yet. Another thing is, I don't see how people buy it separately. If I were to buy anything, I'd just buy the chicken. Because me personally, I don't even like the way the donut really tastes by itself. Because I just had a bite with the donut. And it was pretty much just donut. And I'm not feeling it. So to just buy like the combo or the platter or whatever they call it, that's not it. That's not it, sis. It's not it. Some good ass chicken though. I'm trying to think of what this donut tastes like because it has like this taste to it. It tastes mainly like grease. Because my donut is fresh. Because they put my donut in the fryer. Like I literally, the lady was just like, you know, put a donut down. And I seen them take it fresh out the fryer. So it just tastes mainly like oil. Like, do better. Like, my sister's been telling me for the longest, don't try it, don't try it, don't try it, don't try it, don't try it. Which is why it took me so long to try it. I should have listened. This is not worth my $6. Matter of fact, y'all think I'm playing. Y'all think I'm playing. I want my money back. Best friend.
Yeah.
So, remember how I told you I was gonna try this Popeyes chicken sandwich? Not Popeyes, but KFC chicken sandwich.
I told you this shit was nasty.
You about to be on YouTube, by the way. Can you send me $6? Cause I just wasted my money. And somebody gotta reimburse me for this, and I know they not. So.
You looking at me like that for?
Because I want my $6 back. I need somebody to send it to me.
Better go have Popeyes send it to you.
It was KFC, first of all.
KFC. Oh yeah, you definitely messed up. The only thing they got good there is cookies.
The chicken was good.
Shit, if it was good, you wouldn't want your money back. But yeah,
The chicken was good. It's just the donut that messed it up. So send me my $6 because you love me.
You get your $6 another time when you really need it. Oh, I just threw up in my mouth. Yeah, that's nasty.
Oh my God, I gotta cut that out my video. All right, guys, that is the end of this video. So my final thoughts on this sandwich is, shut up so I can do my outro. So my final thoughts on this sandwich is the chicken itself, bomb. Now, when it comes to this donut, if you're gonna get your donut fresh, make sure that they don't let it sit out for a little bit, because mine tastes like it was drenched in oil, which I'm pretty sure they fry it. But you know how people let they donut get light and fluffy, they let it sit out and then it tastes light and fluffy like a donut's supposed to fucking taste? Mine didn't taste like that. Mine tasted like a donut with some icing that was just thrown on there with oil. So I didn't like it. I like the chicken. So if you're gonna get it, make sure yours isn't drenched in oil. That's it for this video. Bye, guys.